Starting your mutual fund journey is easier than you think. In the first 2 episodes, we have covered what mutual funds are and their types. If you have missed those, please click on the above link to view the other episodes. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of investing in mutual funds and discuss SIPs, one of the most popular ways to invest.
Are you investing for a specific purpose like a child's education, retirement, or wealth creation? Knowing your goal helps you pick the right fund.
Are you okay with market fluctuations, or do you prefer stable returns? Choose equity funds for higher risk and debt funds for safety.
You can invest directly through AMC websites or use platforms like Zerodha Coin, Grow, or any other platform suitable as per your usage. Mutual fund investments require KYC compliance. Submit your PAN card, Aadhaar, and a photograph online or offline. If you're a beginner, SIPs or systematic investment plans are the way to go. You can invest small amounts monthly, starting from 500 rupees. With SIPs, you enjoy benefits like discipline. Regular investing builds wealth over time. Rupee cost averaging. You buy more units when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, reducing overall cost. Convenience. Automate your investments without worrying about timing the market. Starting small is the key. Begin your mutual fund journey today, and you'll thank yourself later. In the next episode, we'll discuss how to evaluate mutual fund returns. Stay tuned and subscribe to Stock Glimpse India for more details.